Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. What foods are absolutely forbidden to eat on an empty stomach? Doctors warn that some healthy foods on an empty stomach can only do harm. Everyone knows that an empty stomach is the most vulnerable. For example, freshly squeezed citrus juice, if consumed regularly on an empty stomach, can lead to the development of gastritis and even ulcers. However, the list is not limited to citrus fruits alone. Each product should have its own appointment time. What foods can harm your body when taken on a non-empty stomach? Bananas. Despite the fact that bananas are of great benefit to the body, it is better not to eat them on an empty stomach. This is due to the fact that the magnesium contained in these fruits in large quantities increases the burden on the heart. Citrus. The main harm of eating citrus fruits for breakfast is an increase in the level of acidity in the stomach, which leads to heartburn. In the case of regular consumption of oranges and lemons on an empty stomach, allergies, gastritis and even stomach ulcers may occur. Baking with yeast. The yeast found in baked goods can cause gas in the intestines. Sweets. The pancreas is unable to produce the required amount of insulin with an excess of sugar, which can lead to an acid-base imbalance. Tomatoes. The tannic acid contained in tomatoes can lead to ulceration when in contact with large amounts of gastric juice. Cucumbers. In the morning, when a sufficient amount of gastric juice has not yet been produced, the body breaks down the acids that make up cucumbers for a long time. This can lead to heartburn and stomach discomfort. Spice. Hot spices irritate the mucous membrane and provoke excessive production of gastric juice, contributing to the development of diseases of the gastrointestinal tract. Carbonated drinks. Carbonated drinks also irritate the mucous membranes and impair local circulation, making food more difficult to digest. And then the question arises, what can you still eat on an empty stomach? Doctors recommend starting the morning with oatmeal, which coats the stomach lining, protecting it from irritants. The second nominee for the best breakfast is buckwheat porridge, which stimulates the digestive system and enriches the body with iron, protein and vitamins. After them, you can eat almost any food without much harm to the body. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.